When talking about OPPO tablets, you can never ignore the huge advantage of ColorOS 16 Gold Label Edition. This is the newly released OPPO Pad 6 Soft Light Edition. Oh, besides the tablet, we also got the OPPO Pen Sol 2 this time. The traditional card ejector pin for unboxing. Oh wow! This back panel, the craftsmanship looks like the Reno 16. Let's set it aside and look at the accessories under the box. Here is a 67-watt Type A charging head, and here is a data cable. The color we have here is called Starlight Blue, and it has a matte finish to the touch. What's quite unique is that they've used a flowing light phantom process this time. What does that mean? Look, as I move the tablet, see how the light refracts? It's as if the planet inside is moving. Do you see it? It has that 3D effect. This reminds me of the Reno 16, though the Reno 16 was definitely more intense. This back panel gives a very different feel. The camera deco is a horizontally placed oval. The entire tablet's thickness is kept at 5.99 millimeters, and it weighs 577 grams, which is quite thin and light. I think this tablet is very easy to talk about. First, let's talk about the screen. It is a soft light screen, so as you can see, even with light shining on it, there is no obvious reflection, which makes it quite suitable for library use. Another benefit of the soft light screen is that when we write in notes, you get a paper-like writing experience, which everyone already knows. As for the specs of this screen, it is a 3K 144Hz bright eye protection screen. You can see it is 144Hz here. Since it is LCD, it is naturally easier on the eyes, right? Building on that, OPPO has been quite extreme. As you can see in the bright eye protection settings, they have added a brand new reading mode called muted color. What is in What is the benefit of this mode? It adjusts the screen's color gamut and reduces color saturation, making it look more like a real paper book. The second part is the experience of ColorOS 16 Gold Label Edition on the tablet. We will split this into two parts, OPPO AI and connectivity. First, AI recording transcription. It is very simple. Just open the recorder, tap here, and see the AI recording option. Let us go in. Now, it will automatically perform real-time transcription. You can also manually highlight key points. After the recording ends, it will generate a structured summary. You can even insert photos and screenshots here, making note-taking extremely efficient. If I had this back when I was in school, I would have definitely gotten into a better university. Paired with this stylus, you can also use AI Circle to search. Just circle, drag, and process. You can circle PowerPoint slides, articles, online course screens, and drawings. And for example, here is a 9/11 I just drew. I'll just circle it, and you can see it triggers many functions. We'll use AI drawing directly. Look at what it generates. How is it? Does it look like it? Of course, when studying, you rarely use just one app at a time, and that is where the panoramic free window feature comes in handy. Opening multiple small windows and adjusting their aspect ratios is just the basics. Let us demonstrate a very useful scenario. First, open the apps you need, then use 4 fingers to pinch out and split the screen. You can take notes on the left, circle content on the right, and look up information below. You can even open a small window to scroll through TikTok, staying calm and in complete control. These are the scenarios students will use. For us working professionals, OPPO has also prepared PC-level full-feature WPS, PC-level file management, and a PC-level desktop. It not only allows for efficient work and creating presentations, but also precise file categorization. You can even drag frequently used files to the desktop, just like on a computer, which is highly efficient. Combined with ColorOS's deep connectivity, you can even access files from your OPPO phone directly on your tablet. No need to worry about the tablet having no network or manually turning on a hotspot. You can work anywhere, anytime. Let's call it work on the go. For example, if I need to quickly edit a video, I just open my phone's gallery, find the footage, drag it to the desktop, import it to the tablet, and launch CapCut Pro. Just like that, a TikTok is done in no time. As we demonstrated, it is easy to see that we use the OPPO Reno 16 Pro and the Pad 6 for deep integration. We will not go into detail about features like network sharing, notification sharing, or app and file streaming. The Reno series has a major highlight this time. Its live photos can also deeply integrate with the tablet. Because the OPPO Pad 6 now supports system-level live journals, you can import live photos, combine them with live stickers from your phone's gallery, and add the journal's own assets to easily create exquisite, dynamic live journals. It's really fun. Having said that, have you noticed I haven't mentioned specs? That's because I've always believed that useful, practical features and comprehensive usage scenarios are the core competitiveness of a tablet. Of course, this tablet's specs are also very strong. I put the parameters on the screen for you. It has the Dimensity 9500S, and they've managed a battery capacity of 10,420 milliampere hours. But setting that aside, they've truly made it work well for everything, whether it's work, study, or entertainment. That is the OPPO Pad 6. If you need a tablet just to assist with studying, taking notes, or watching videos, OPPO has also launched the OPPO Pad Air 5, which offers excellent overall value for money. Now, if you want a PC-level experience, full throttle performance that is even more powerful and an all-around better experience, then the OPPO Pad 6 is the more suitable choice. All right, bye.